place today is a challenging and quality-conscious environment. The old system of plying consumers with attractive or necessary products is just not enough anymore. Governments too nurture these emerging needs through consumer protection legislation. The emphasis: product safety and guaranteed accuracy of information. Measurements of this type require sophisticated machines that need to be regularly adjusted and calibrated by trained technicians from internationally accredited institutes. Product safety, meanwhile, can make or break a product's future, while a single failed product can damage an entire company's market share. But more importantly, food quality needs to be tested to ensure it conforms to required specifications and is safe for consumption. Ensuring product safety is a highly complicated task. Apart from ensuring the manufacturing process is contamination-proof, product samples need to be tested for safety too. The test results are as good or as bad as the accuracy of the test equipment used, with calibration of laboratory equipment a key factor, and metrology the means of achieving all-round accuracy.
Most developing countries aspire to become industrialized. Achieving this objective requires country capacity for precision manufacture and to assure product quality. Measurement capability, what we refer in technical jargon as metrology, is the necessary precondition to achieve these development objectives. An internationally accredited metrology facility with properly trained staff are a requirement today for industrialization. UNIDO, recognizing the needs of developing countries to become industrialized, has become a partner in this process in developing the metrology facilities world over.
Metrology covers a wide array of physical parameters: mass, dimension, temperature, pressure, electrical parameters. International agreements govern the use of these physical standards. A kilo or a meter measured in one country must be the same as a kilo or the meter measured in another. The Convention of the Meter in Paris, established in the year 1799, sets the framework for such universally acceptable measures. The BIPM is responsible for ensuring the universal acceptance of these physical measures.
Most developed countries have a national physical laboratory that is responsible for reference physical standards. In Sri Lanka, the ITI, with the assistance from UNIDO and NORAD, developed a state-of-the-art metrology facility. A key requirement for a metrology facility is the accurate control of the laboratory environment, temperature, humidity, etc. We have a laboratory here at ITI that is truly world-class.
But let's see how metrology actually fits into manufacture and exports. In the engineering industry, accurate dimensional measurement is necessary for achieving interchangeability of components. The digital micrometer used in the factory floor has to be calibrated to ensure its accuracy and traceability, all the way back to the convention of the meter. Calibration of thermometers is performed using traceable standard platinum resistant thermometer in a stable fluid bath. Another important physical parameter measured in everyday life is pressure. Its measurement requires accurate and traceable pressure sensors of different types. Calibration of pressure gauges is important for both safety and accuracy in an industrial calibration laboratory. Electricity and electronics too are necessary parts of everyday life. With developing countries entering the manufacture of electronic parts, the calibration needs of electrical parameters, voltage, current, resistance, etc. become crucial to meet the standards specified by buyers. Food quality and safety too depend on metrology. And safe products mean living life without fear of enjoying simple pleasures the way these kids are. Rigid temperature control at the factory made sure the ice cream stayed free of harmful bacteria. Globally accepted test certificates are essential for developing countries. They provide entry to foreign markets without duplicative testing costs. The international standard ISO 17025 ensures that testing procedures are accurate and credible. The ISO 17025 standard looks critically at the following areas: adequacy of the physical facility and environmental condition, adequacy of equipment for the tests to be carried out, adequacy of human capabilities, proper calibration of the test equipment, the test methods utilized and how tests are validated, presence of a good quality management system to ensure proper operation and management. Metrology extends beyond the factory and even into everyday life. In an X-ray, we are exposed only to a nanosecond of rays. If the timing device on the X-ray is not properly calibrated, patients will be exposed to too much harmful radiation. A blood test is a routine requirement today for accurate medical diagnosis. The report findings are based on physical measures, milligrams, milliliter. Unless the lab equipment is properly calibrated, the diagnosis arrived at may be totally wrong.
A good industrial calibration facility is a precondition for industrial development, country capacity for precision manufacture, or even ensuring a healthy nation. UNIDO, with the assistance from NORAD, the Norwegian development partner, has supported the development and accreditation of a state-of-the-art metrology facility here in Sri Lanka with the Industrial Technology Institute.
Today, the ITI laboratory is the only accredited facility in the country, and indeed one of the handful in developing countries that can issue traceable and internationally accepted calibration certificates. More importantly, it has highly trained technical staff that can assist industry in addressing their calibration problems. For a developing nation like Sri Lanka, the ITI laboratory is an essential stepping stone to greater progress in the developing world.